Fusion Housing's been on the go for a good few years. We're a housing charity. We do housing advice and support, but we've also got the food bank, which has been running for 6 years now, and we provide food across North Kirklees.
There's a national crisis, and in the national crisis we need to do our little bit. We have really good staff, and a lot of them want to help. So what we've agreed to do is redeploy our staff to work with Fusion Housing.
We got the call last week to say drop your day job and get out into the community where we've got the greatest needs. So that's exactly what we've done. Giving up the day job, putting down the tools and going where we actually need the support, and that's the right thing to do as an officer and as part of this council. That's the response that we absolutely need to be giving.
What we're trying to do is we're trying to engage with all our communities and all our voluntary organisations to see how we can pool our resources together most effectively to actually address the issues that are coming up, because there are a lot of vulnerable people out there. There'll be a lot of people that will need our help.
We are seeing a reduction in the levels of food that we've got to give out to people. The donations that we've had from the big supermarkets, we've seen that stop. So if people have got additional food on the shelves that they don't really need that they've bought, then please look at donating it to the local food bank.
I've heard that there's £1 billion worth of extra stock in people's homes. It's not needed. Be sensible, be reasonable, shop sensibly. We're all in this together, and at a time like this we need to actually search in ourselves and actually put other people first.